Sales, conversions, profits. Those three words sum up the main goals of practically every business. So it's natural that many products exist to help you maximize all three. This isn't one of those products. It's incredibly more important. I'm Matt Garrett with an urgent message for any website owner that is generating leads, building a following, or selling anything online. This isn't another product promising to increase your conversions. Instead, today I'd like to talk with you about protecting your profits. If you've ever generated a lead, built a following, or made a sale online, you already know how to convert. And there are plenty of excellent products out there that can help you further optimize your results. I'm here to make sure you don't lose what you already have. Because the fastest way to go out of business is when the doors to your business close. Sadly, that happens at an alarming rate. 30,000 websites have their doors closed every single day. The reason? Hackers. Once a site is hacked, whether the site owner realizes it or not, business shuts down, and it happens fast. First, consider your subscriber base or list of contacts. Any decent hacker can compromise that list and will usually sell it, at which time your subscribers become someone else's, and they'll be presented with fraudulent e-com offers, damaging your reputation. Next, the content of your site can be completely replaced, usually with scam offers designed to rip people off. Your traffic can be instantly diverted to anywhere the hacker wants to send it. And if any site visitor enters secured payment information, hackers can skim that info to steal directly from your users. This means you could potentially end up facing criminal charges, court time and fines. What's more, Google and the rest of the search engines will automatically blacklist a hacked site, so you can also say goodbye to any more organic traffic. And if you're a product creator, you can kiss profits from your paid products goodbye once you get hacked. In a couple of clicks, skilled hackers can turn your premium products into freeware and share them on black hat and torrent sites. Even worse, pending legislation could mean that owners of hacked sites could face fines just for allowing their sites to get hacked. The hacking industry has gotten so big, at last count it generated $2 billion per year in revenue for hackers, which means things are only going to get worse. Just imagine, you spend months building up a blog or money site, you fill it with unique content, build backlinks and start generating regular traffic and income. Then one day you wake up and it's all gone. Your traffic, your subscriber base, your sales. All gone. Your hosting account, probably suspended at best. You're likely to face legal charges and fines, and you're definitely going to end up with a massive headache. On average, it takes 3 days to recover a hacked site, during which time all sales, lead generation, and profits are lost. And 1 out of 4 hacked sites are never recovered. I'm speaking from experience. I operate hundreds of profitable websites for myself and for clients. And until a couple of years ago, I used to experience firsthand the financial pain of having sites hacked. What happened to change all this? Well, I decided enough was enough. No more lost sales, leads and profits for myself or my clients. And so BlogDefender was born, the ultimate in WordPress site security. Since its initial release, we've not had one report of a hacked site from the 5,000 plus BlogDefender users. Now that was then. Now we face even more security threats, so BlogDefender's been completely updated to lock down any WordPress site completely, and it's easier and faster than ever before. Not only that, but with this update I'm including unrestricted developer rights, meaning you can make a completely passive income by installing BlogDefender on as many client sites as you wish. So you can relax knowing your money sites are secure while making a passive income offering this as a service to any website owner. BlogDefender is cutting-edge WordPress site security made simple, and video tutorials to show you exactly how to configure and optimize settings for your business. The setup is fast and painless. The protection is world-class. Once installed, your sites will be protected from 99.9% of any potential attacks. Most hackers will take one look at your site security and simply move on. BlogDefender starts by blocking the 4 most common security threats, then takes things to the next level to slam the door in the face of even the most determined hackers. One question I hear a lot goes something like this: Matt, my blog is new and I don't get a lot of traffic or sales yet. Why would hackers target me? Well, to a hacker, every site is a potential goldmine. Skilled attackers can simply install a backdoor access to your site, then strike later on when you are generating traffic and leads, and leverage those assets for their personal gain. So even as you're building up your site, hackers can be in the background just waiting to steal it. BlogDefender is your insurance against any lost traffic, leads and profits. It protects your most important online assets so you can focus on building your business. Check out the details on the page below, then secure your access and sites today. With all the development that's gone into this program, I can't promise this will ever be offered again for a single payment. And you're covered by my ironclad 30-day unconditional money-back guarantee and complete software updates for the next 12 months. If you're using WordPress sites to generate leads or sell anything online, you need this. If your sites are not protected, it's not a matter of if you'll be hacked, it's simply a matter of when. BlogDefender is your solution. Don't be a victim. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you on the inside.